How to recover Apple account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to recover your Apple account. So first thing first, just head over to your settings, and as you can see currently this is my Apple account. And when I head over to my Apple account and click on this iPhone, and from over here you can just click on this find my iPhone and simply disable it. And once you disable it, when you try to re-enable it, it will ask you for your password. And since you have forgotten your password, so what you need to do is, in that case, just head over to your general section by scrolling down and click on this general option over here, and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that, and here you should see that is second option, erase all content and setting. Now simply select it, and from over here you need to select, make sure all of these are selected, and simply click on continue and just click on erase phone, and it will ask you for your passcode on your device just like this. So just enter your passcode from your device and just follow along the on-screen instruction. Once you reach the screen for your passcode, once again you need to click on forget password because you haven't, or because you have forgotten your password as well, and it will again show you this same screen, that is this one, which is the passcode for your iPhone. So you just have to press on it and it will show you the new screen to enter your new password, and you can just basically reset your password from over there while resetting your iPhone just like that. So that is the only way you can easily recover your Apple account successfully. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.